Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to enable facecam on Roblox. So first of all guys, you have to go to in three dot. Now in three dot, now you have to go to in settings. Now go to in privacy. So now to get facecam, you just need to you have to click on this toggle button next to the camera permission. So you can see this basically, Roblox will use your camera to animate your avatar with your movements. So basically, by enabling this, you will get the face cam as well as face tracking. So just click on this toggle button to get the face cam and face tracking feature on Roblox game, any game. So once you enable this option, and if you want to get also voice chat, you can also do that. You just need to enable the microphone permission as well. And once you enable it, now you can open any game that supports microphone as communication. So and camera as communication. So let's open any game. Like suppose let's open this game. Now you have to guys to get face cam. You have to click on this Roblox icon at the top left. As you can see, click on it and click on this face icon, click on it, and you will get face cam on your screen. Let me show you. As you can see, you will get this face cam here. And if you want to do a face tracking, you can also do that. Let me come. Yeah. If you want to do a face tracking, you can also do that. I'll show you. Click on this video icon. So it says that facial animation unavailable now. Let me click on the microphone mic. You can see that start doing voice tracking, but the face tracking is not working right now. I don't know why. It says you have to join it later. So let's do that. Let me join again. So guys, right now facial animation is not working in the game. I don't know why. So once I fix it, I'll show you what are the reason. I'll explain you in the next video what are the reason behind that. And if you also see this error, you can then wait for my video. And if you don't see, you are lucky. I don't know why I'm getting this error due to my I think my camera driver on my PC is not working, or there's an issue with that. So yeah, once I fix it, I'll make another video on that. But right now, this video is on facecam, and that's how you can enable it. Click this and click on facecam, and you will get this facecam. So yeah, hope you like it. Thanks for